Welcome to Cooking Tales by I. Let's make these classic chocolate chip cookies. These firm on the outside and soft on the inside cookies will melt in your mouth. Eat them as it is, or pair them with your favorite ice cream. Fresh out of the oven, so soft and gooey. Try them out once, and you will never stop craving them. Let's start by preparing brown butter. Add 1 cup butter to the pan. On medium flame, cook it till it changes color to brown. Keep stirring it continuously. The butter has started smelling nutty and has changed color. It's ready. Set it aside in a bowl to cool down at room temperature. Brown butter is ready to use. Granulated light brown sugar, 1 cup. Powdered brown sugar, 3/4 cup. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste. Mix it all well. Salt 1/2 tsp. Vanilla essence 1 tbsp, full. Baking powder 1 tbsp. Baking soda 1/2 tbsp. Eggs 2. I added 1 more later. Add 3 eggs in total. Mix everything well. Add chocolate chips, as much as you want. You can use any chalk chips of your choice. I use medium sweet ones here. Now add the all-purpose flour gradually and mix well by folding it in the mixture. All-purpose flour used in total equals 3 cups. folding in and mixing it until you get a smooth cookie dough. Our cookie dough is ready now. Let's add some more chocolate chips. It's ready now. Let's roll the dough into equally sized balls. Add few chocolate chips on top. Put them in refrigerator overnight to let the dough mature. This takes your cookie game to the next level. Take the cookie dough out of the refrigerator and let it come to room temperature on the countertop. Line up the cookie balls in a baking tray at reasonable distance. Bake at 160 degrees for 20 minutes. The yummiest cookies straight out of your dreams. Crisp on the outside and soft on the inside. Enjoy!